this is a great idea, is to have a worksheet that everybody can study and refer to during the lessons, exclusively focusing on the Hebrew vowels. These are not all of the Hebrew vowels, but they are the main ones that we need to know for our first lessons in Hebrew letters. As we said, we'll find a way to share this document with everybody so that everybody can study and practice at home as well.
Yeah.
The vowels go underneath and sometimes above and sometimes to the left of the consonant. You can think of the letter Aleph as a placeholder for all of the consonants in the Hebrew alphabet. The Aleph is unique in that it is a silent letter. So when we pronounce the Aleph and its vowel, we only need to worry about pronouncing the vowel. So in this case, I will read through the vowel pronunciations, and then we will go on to the new letter in the alphabets. So the first line is ah and ah. The second line is as in bed. The third line is a, as in say. Then e, as in be. Then o, as in no. And take note that the vowel o can appear as a line with a dot over it, or it can simply be a dot above the Hebrew letter. So the o appears in two very different ways. And likewise, the u sound can appear as three dots below the letter or as a line next to the letter with a dot in the middle. And I promise you, you will have plenty of time to become familiar with these vowels. The first part of our lesson is introducing the new letter, which is the letter Vav. And as you can see, the letter Vav makes the V sound. V, Vav, V. So when we combine the letter Vav with its vowel, we get Va, Vu. And you may be confused, and it would be understandable, because we have the letter Vav, and then next to it we have the U vowel, which also looks like a letter Vav, except it has the dot next to it. So in this case, the Hebrew letter stands for both the vowel and the consonant. So the first instance of the line is the Vav, and the second instance of the line is the U. Joseph, can you make sure that I've explained that properly?
Yes. It's okay.
Likewise, the next pronunciation is vo, and the first instance of the line is a vav, and the second instance of the line with the dot over it is the vowel o. So we get vo, then ve, and then v. Joseph, could I ask you to pronounce these instances of the letter Vav with its vowel, please?
So the letter is Vav. It looks
Right.
like a capital I.
Yeah,
So the first one is Va,
good,
Vu,
good.
Vo,
Yes,
Ve,
excellent.
Vi.
Very good. Joseph, I think you see every day that the vowels will become quite familiar to you through repetition, and we only need to add them to the new letters as we go along.
Yes.
So now we'll have our reading practice on the Vav. Margaret, every day we introduce a new Hebrew letter, and you will see, though, that the vowels underneath the letters are always the same from day to day, and you'll become very familiar with them. I'll recite the first line for all of us. And again, it starts on the right and moves to the left. So va, ve, va, vi. Joseph, would you like to take a turn?
Yes. Va, ve, va, vi.
Very good. The next line is vous, vi, vous, va. Joseph?
Vous, vi, vous, va.
Very, very good. Would you like to continue, sir?
Yes. Vo,
Good.
Va.
Well done. Yes.
va,
Nope. The third line,
the second one.
oh, yeah, yeah.
Va, vo, vous.
Excellent. Ve, vous, ve, vo. Joseph?
Ve, vous, ve, vo.
Very good. And the last line, please.
Vi, vo,
Yes.
vi, ve.
Well done. The next exercise that we do every day, Margaret, is to remember the names of the letters. We don't worry in this exercise about pronouncing vowels underneath them. We only want to review the letters that we've learned. You've learned the aleph. We've also learned the bet, the vet, the gimel, the dalet, the hay, and now the vav. So we can now name the letters as a way to practice remembering the letters. And we'll start with line 2, and I'll recite the first line. Vav, Hey, Dalet, Gimel, Bet, Bet, Vav, Vet. Joseph, would you like to take line 3, please?
Yes. Line 3.
Okay. Yes.
This is the last letter that we did.
That's right. It was yesterday's letter, the letter Hey.
Hey, Gimel, Zayin,
No, this is our Vav. This is today's letter, the letter Vav.
Vav, Vav,
Good.
Bet, Vav, Vet.
Very good. I'll take the next line. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just, are you able to follow as we go along, Margaret? Is it clear to you how we're going?
Hi. Did you write all this?
So I think what I can do is I can send you the worksheets in the WhatsApp, and you'll be able to review very easily, and without any problem, you will be able to catch up on some of these letters. But no need to worry now. Just enjoy that we have a good connection and that we're having a nice class together. So we'll continue with the pronunciation drill. The fourth line is ve, vu, ve, vo. And the last line, Joseph, you want to give the last line one more time, please?
V, vo, vi, ve.
Very nice. Excellent.